Hi everyone and welcome back. This is Umar from Tutorials Hub, and today we will be discussing about how to connect your broker to TradingView, and this is going to be a full demonstration and tutorial, so stick till the end. And also, before we get started, book a call with us with the first link below if you're looking some help with your marketing strategy, web design, or tech consultations, and we will be more than happy to serve you with all of these. Now jumping straight on to TradingView, as you can see the platform is ready to go and we have various features and lines going on. So for that we have a couple of steps. So very first, as you can see, you need to make sure that you have an account on TradingView. So a lot of people out there are using without creating an account, and you can see on the right we have various features going on. We have all of our symbols, we have our stocks going on, features, and everything is basically available onto our panel. So what I suggest is first you simply create an account like I have done already, and they are also offering this 30-day free trial, so you can completely go for each and every feature in that trial period and discover for yourself as well. And you can see, make sure that your profile is ready to go, and then we will be good to move forward. So everything is nicely set up. You can go through all these stuff. Now if we scroll a little bit down, we have various stocks in here and multiple other features. So first of all, let's just say we are going to be deciding which particular broker we want to connect. So it do offer various type of brokers. So if you can see on the top menu, we have various options. Like for example, we have products. So in the products, we are going to be having, like for example, our super charts. If I head over to that, you can see this is going to be our super chart. Of course, it is going to be really helpful for watching these candlestick charts and reading your patterns and everything. Now similarly, if I head back, let me just go back. So you can see in the top menu bar, we should be able to find various other features as well. You can see we have community, we have various options featured in that as well. We have markets, news, and finally we have brokers. So you have various other features, like for example knowledge base, downloads. If you want to simply download the mobile app, you have that option as well. We have for business and trading companies. So now if you head over to your brokers section, you can see we find various options in here, and right away we have some featured brokers which are having the most amount of or the best ratings on top of every other broker. You can see among those we have Trade Nation, we have FXCM, we have Pepperstone. So now if I simply head over to any of these options from compare brokers, if you want to simply compare brokers, their features and what do they have to offer, you can do that as well. You can simply check out the awarded brokers as well. So let's just head over to compare brokers very first, and here you can see multiple brokers are being displayed. So it is also highlighting the accounts that are connected currently and the live orders that are executed. So you can see around 7 lakhs and 75 million orders are being live orders are being executed. So the point to be noted here is that you're going to be making sure that you choose the right type of broker for you. Before you connect it, you need to go through, like for example, if your broker is related to crypto, we have a different field for that. So you need to make sure that crypto is simply selected. The best and on the top is currently Bybit, and I personally use this as well. We will be very soon making a video on this as well, how you can start with that. And Binance, of course, everybody use that, and you can see the amount of accounts it got is 345k. So a lot of people are currently using this application and have a lot of reviews as well. So if you want to go for something which is popular in the category of crypto, of course you can choose Binance, and even Bybit is a trusted platform as well. If you want to, by the way, learn more about it, you can click on this learn more option, and we are directed towards our Bybit official page within TradingView. So you can see the tradable asset is offered crypto, of course, since it is a broker related to crypto. We have different type of fees, company information if you want to have an idea about the company background and each and everything, and also contact. So it got multiple reviews since it is something really popular and is trendy out there in the market. It is of course featured in here. You can see various multiple other brokers are available as well, but you can go for crypto if you want to simply connect a Binance or Bybit account. I have both of these accounts, so if I want to connect them, I do not need to create an account already. So if you want to connect your forex brokers, you can head over to your forex section, and here you can see we have Pepperstone, we have IC Markets, Trade Nation, FXCM, and markets.com, and each of these have multiple and different ratings and reviews and features, so you can go through each of them. Of course, I'm not going to be going through each of them since it is going to be making this video quite lengthy, but the idea is same. You're going to choose the best, since this is, you can see, also marked best 2022 broker of the year award, so this is the awarded one. And if you want to go with something that is really trusted, you can get an idea from this section as well, or you can research it online as well. Simply copy its name, or you can open this on a new tab. Let's just head over to a new tab and type in there Pepperstone and try it out for yourself as well. So let's just say you want to create an account on Pepperstone, since it is an award-winning global forex broker. Simply head over to that, and you can see a Pepperstone broker currently open in front of us right now. Now what we need to do is simply create an account. Click on join now from the top right side of your screen, and once you do that, it will be asking you for the details, or you can sign in using your Gmail account, Apple account, or Facebook account. So if you want to continue with email, simply enter your residence, let's just say Australia. After that, you'll also, the point to be noted here is that based on your location, we have different KYC verifications and different type of features that might not be available in certain areas, so that should be kept in mind as well. After that, you can see we have first name, and we need to be putting this original. We need our last name, date of birth, mobile phone number, and once you basically get this done, you will be able to create your account already onto the platform and start trading. So then you can easily connect it using your trading view as well. So make sure that you have account on both of these platforms, and before that, choose the best broker you feel. And yeah, so that is it for this video, guys, and I hope this was helpful. Now before we get to the end, you can head over to the link in the description to simply get started and book a call with us, and also we can get different type of help related to marketing strategies, web design, and tech consultation. So make sure you give a call to us if you feel like you need any type of help, and we will be more than happy to provide you our services. So thank you so much, and see you guys around in the next video.